What does it mean to make wine in a reductive style?
I don't know. I guess the opposite of oxidative. For me, both are good and bad. It's a question of measure. You need a bit of reduction, you need a bit of oxidation. Oxidation is necessary because you need to allow the wine to precipitate anything that can oxidate later in the bottle before in the cask. If you keep in a wine up to the bottle elements that can eventually oxidate, when will they oxidate? When the person opens the bottle and pours it in the glass, and then the wine just goes from good to bad in a few minutes. Or during the aging process in the bottle. That we don't want. We want the wines to be stable and age worth it if it's good wine. So all these elements have to be oxidated in the cask. But you don't want to bottle a wine which tastes oxidated. So you also want a part of the wine which traps excess oxygen, which keeps it into a reductive character. So, like for example, a larger vessel compared to a smaller one. A vessel which is more less transparent to oxygen. For example, old wood or stainless steel versus new oak. New oak is very oxidative. Not because the oxygen goes through the oak, because oxygen is in the oak, in the new oak. New wood floats, old wood sinks. Because the oxygen is out. But what I mean to say is, if you want wine to at the same time have some oxidation and some reduction to mature, it's a work of the proper sense of élevage. So you need gross leaves in the bottom to trap all the excessive oxygen. But you also need a source of oxygen into the wine that comes usually from the top bond, which is never perfectly sealed, and that is enough to oxidate gently and very in a subtle way what can be oxidated into a wine without the wine developing oxidative character because of the leaves in the cask. If you are too reductive, it's often in the meaning of fruit protection, stainless steel tank, too much sulfur and all that. Then you overprotect the wine. It's for me over-reductive. It means that everything that can be precipitated by oxygen remain in the wine and will eventually oxidate in the bottle or in the glass or within the wine. And that is not good. It has to be done before. It's the work of the élevage. For most people, élevage is just the time you spend between the wine is clear and the moment you bottle it. The proper sense of élevage is the time it needs for the wine to do all those things, so it's ready to be bottled.